Your legs are getting weaker after 65, and if you ignore it, it won't stay the same. It will get worse slowly and quietly. One day it's harder to stand, the next you're holding on to furniture just to feel steady. What's worse is most seniors don't act until after a fall. What's really happening is your muscles are switching off, especially the ones that keep you stable and strong, and if nothing changes, they keep getting weaker. Walking alone won't fix this. It can trick you into thinking you're doing enough, while the most important stabilizing muscles are still being ignored, leading to worse balance, less strength, and a higher risk of falling. But here's the good news. You can wake these muscles back up with a few simple movements done daily. And before we get into them, drop your age and where you're watching from. It's always great hearing from you. Start with sit to stands. Sit in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor, then slowly stand up without using your hands if you can, and lower yourself back down with control. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions. This movement strengthens your thighs and glutes, the muscles you use every time you stand, walk, or climb stairs, and over time, you'll notice those everyday movements feeling smoother and easier. Then practice standing on one leg. Hold onto a chair or wall if needed. Lift one foot slightly off the ground and try to hold your balance. Start with a few seconds and gradually build up to 15 or 20 seconds on each side. This activates your stabilizing muscles, helping improve balance and reduce the risk of falls, so you feel more confident on your feet. And add calf raises. Stand tall while holding onto support, slowly rise up onto your toes, pause briefly at the top, then lower back down with control. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions. This strengthens your lower legs, improves circulation, and helps your legs feel lighter and more responsive. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and comment "strong" if you're starting today.